At this point, the Bangsamoro is still enjoying an autonomous government. Our area is the most underdeveloped area. There is no development in the area. So we need to solicit the international community, especially the Islamic world, to help us in order to develop our area, our homeland, and be able to be at par with other people in the Philippines. So we look forward for the international community to help us, inshallah, in developing our area. Well, this coming election is the first election to be held under the autonomous government, and we look forward that during this election we will be able to win the majority seats in the government in order to be able to form the government. So the role of the international community to help us in spending for the election and in guarding that there will be a honest election, the international community can play important role, inshallah. Well, not only during this election, but the continued support, help of the international community is very much needed to develop our area, inshallah. Our area is mostly agricultural area. So we need projects and programs to develop our projects that is more aligned to agriculture, more aligned to commerce and industry, and the international community and the Islamic world will be able to have a very good role in this area.